Hello YouTube, welcome to another MMD PMD tutorial, and in this one I'm going to address an issue that doesn't really happen often, but when it does it just looks terrible, and I didn't know how to fix it for the longest time. I have to mention that it works with PMX only, so you have to use PMX. Um, and unfortunately, I have no idea why it happened, so I can't really tell you that part, but essentially this whole piece of my model right here is gone. So I'm assuming that's sometimes why it does, because that's usually when it messes up for me is when I cut off large chunks. So when I click transform, you'll see that the knees are the knees and the legs are really screwed up. So again, that's kind of why I assume that that's what it is, and it like the model will come out standing fine, but as soon as you put on a motion or a pose or something, it shows you really what's wrong. So yeah, when it starts moving, you see that it is absolutely horrendous. Um, and the knees, like some of the movements are fine, but for the most part, they cross each other and go backwards, and it looks absolutely terrible. Luckily, though, this problem is very easy to fix. So you need to go to this box and you click your bone tab, and you have to find the IK bones. And luckily, the IK bones are it tells you which ones are IK, and the bones we're looking for are usually in the top 10, so it should be pretty easy to find. You don't have to have your bone button clicked, but I always keep mine clicked just in case. I already know where mine are at. Mine's number 5, and when you click it, it should be this little, kind of looks like an ankle bone right here, and my other one is number 8. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and scroll in so you guys can get like a closer. Yeah, that's it right there. So it's a small little square. Again, looks like an ankle bone, and as soon as you find both of them, you're set. So click on your first one, you click this top one right here, and if these are 0, that's where your problem is, because they should not be 0. So your first one, oh crap, sorry, my number pad is turned off. Okay. Alright, so the first one should be negative 180.0, and your second one should be negative 5.0. And then you just click this limit angle button right here, and that's literally all you do. So go to your next one and repeat the process. Click your first one. This one should be negative 180.0, and this bottom one should be second one should be negative 5.0. Click limit angle, and of course save it. And go ahead and either test it on your transform or test it on your MMD. And as you can see, the knees are working perfectly now. They are not really weird and backwards like they were before. So yeah, that's all you have to do to fix wonky knees. I'm not sure, I've never seen this happen to arms or anything, so I don't know if it'll work the same. But if you guys have any questions or comments or any of that stuff, please feel free to message me on here or on my Facebook, and I'll link that in the description. Again, I'm not really sure why it starts, so I'll try to help as best as I can. So please just stay tuned for the next video.